What the fuck?
What the fuck is taking so long?
You see, I used to hate when my computer asked me whether I'm a robot. I mean, bitch, it's you who's the robot, not me. But today, all that got me thinking.
We interrupt this program to bring you...
Well. I know right now you're trying to skip this ad by clicking the skip button, but unfortunately, it doesn't work like that. With me here is a stapler, and as you can see, it has no pins. So you have to stock them out. So you stock them, stock them. But have you ever found yourself in a situation whereby you have more pins to put inside your stapler, but yet you don't know where to put the extra ones? Here is the solution. You just close it up. As you can see, there is no bottom lid. So what you're going to do is that you're going to take the bottom lid, this one right here, and put the extra pins. Like that. Then you close it up. Adios. That was all for my ad. You can just continue watching the vlog that you are watching. And as always, don't forget to subscribe. Adios. I mean, come to think of it, probably my computer is asking me whether I'm a robot in order to confirm whether I'm his long-lost family member.
Is this nigga serious?
Welcome to the Goat Matata Diaries. On today's episode, we are going to be talking about how to drink water.
I said, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait, first of all, you're not going to speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
How to drink water.
Ever do that again.
So the question is, how do you drink water? This is how. The first step is to ensure that you have the water itself.
Okay.
And as you can see, here is my water inside this glass.
Joburg aka Johannesburg.
Naweza ona ujinga kwa mbali kama hii.
I don't know where you'll get water, but ensure you have water. Second step is to ensure that you open your mouth.
Just when I think you've said the stupidest thing ever, you keep talking.
Make sure your mouth is open. So open your mouth. I presume that right now your mouth is open.
You fool! You foolish fool!
So after it's open, ensure you hold your glass like this. Then after that, the third step is to incline your head. After inclining your head, ensure you have held your glass of water. And after that, put the glass inside, put the glass on the lip, on the lower lip, not on the top lip. As you have seen, when you put it inside, when you put it on top of the upper lip, the water won't get inside your system. So ensure that you put the glass on the lower lip like this. Then after that, ensure that you incline your head like that. Then after that, ensure that you incline your glass. So you incline it like this. And after that, pour the water into your mouth. And after that, make sure you swallow it. And that is how you drink water.
Oh my God! Wow! Oh my God!
Thank you for watching till this far. As always, don't forget to drink water. And as you drink water, make sure you hit the subscribe button for more of this content.